Hey guys, what's up? This is Monica Kelly from Stars and Stripes Nationals here in Woodbridge, Virginia. We're going to do a bike check here for TNT Bicycles, Factory TNT. Right here we got the TNT C4 bicycle, the Pro XL. TNT cassette hubs here, Peacemaker.
Nice.
All pretty much answer components here. We got the wishbone here, right there. There we go. You got the Madeira stem. Yep. The M for Monica. The brand new TNT bars come in a few different rises. These are the 8-inch rise here on my bike. We got the answer grip, pretty much almost all answer components on my bicycle here. Answer pinnacle. Got the Kenda tires on there, one of our new sponsors from this year. KendaTiresUSA.com. Giving us love. JT Racing. We got a croupie seat right here. Got a croupie. We got a match, the red, black, and the white.
Word. Bike is pimping.
Pimp is illest on the fleet. That's what we say.
Monica Kel's in the spot right now.
Yeah, we are. Nag one. This is a bad ace. Brian, thanks to Brian for making this plate up for me here after 17 years.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Crazy Al Cayne. SugarCayne.com, CACTV, right here at Nova with Monica Kelly on the C4. This bike is crazy. So how do you like the bike?
Love it. Best bike.
Best bike, she says. Would you recommend it to your friends and all that good stuff?
Absolutely.
How's it been being back on the team and representing for TNT this year?
How's it been after 17 years? Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome.
And what do you think about the tracks, how the tracks are nowadays as compared to years ago?
Tracks, I like them. I like them. I like them.
She likes them.
You're right.
What?
I'm convinced.
Yeah, she convinced Billy, so.
I mean, it's a good pump track. Yeah, sure.
All right, cool. So any shout outs you want to give to your sponsors?
Yeah, Mark Zalewski over at TNT Bicycles. Yeah, word. JT Racing and Kenda Tires.
That's what it is.
Word.
Crazy Al Cayne.
Word.
Monica Kelly.
Word.
We're going to call her Monica Kells from now on. Monica Kells in the place to be. Word up.
Whip, she's gonna nay. This is Monica Kelly at SugarCayne.com, and back to you, Billy.
Give me that.